Hi there. In this video I want to walk over the fill tool, or one of the fill tools that's available in Blender, probably one that's most commonly referred to as the fill tool, and the shortcut key is F, and I'm not actually sure where in the user interface it's available. Perhaps we have this is another fill tool right here. F, here we go. New edge face from vertices. That's the tool I want to look at in this video. So let's get started. We're already in edit mode, and we're just going to use the F key for this. We're not going to go through the menu. And we're also going to look at the F2 add-on, which extends these features or this tool's functionality. So for now, I'm just going to hit X and delete face only here. So we are left with our vertices and the edges in between. So with this tool, just as it is, we can take an edge or two vertices and hit F and nothing happens. But if we take four vertices like this, we can fill here, or I can take here, oops, accidentally selected this one back here. We can take these three and F and fill that. We can also, let's take this edge, Shift D, and then extrude here a couple of times. I think I want to extrude them separately, like this. So if I select these and just continue to hit F, the tool will just fill in until we come to the end here, at which point nothing more will happen. And that is the functionalities of the F key, or the new edge face from vertices tool, which is commonly referred to as the fill tool, even if the actual fill tool is down here. Let's now go to preferences here, and I've already gone into add-ons here, typed F2, just F2, and you'll find it here. So you select that, and for me, I like to go into these settings and disable auto grab. I'll leave it on for now, just to show you the difference. So I'll close that, and if we take one here, just press E to extrude that a couple of times. There we go. Just like before, I can just continually hit F like this. But I can also, let's say that I have geometry that looks like this, and I have this vertex selected. I can have my mouse in this region here and press F to create a face between these existing vertices and just create a new vertex right here to create a quad right there. Or if I just Control Z a bit here until this face is removed, I still have this vertex selected, and I have my mouse over here and press F, then we'll fill this direction. Now notice here how the vertex that gets created is selected and active for movement. I just can click to put that into place. This is the auto grab feature. If I disable this, I can then go Control Z to remove a couple. I will then just hit F, and this will be selected, but I won't be into transform mode actually to move this vertex. So I'll just get, oops, you can see that there are multiple ways to fill here, obviously. So we'll have to be careful where our mouse is positioned. So in this case, I fill this direction, and just like before, I'm not actively moving this vertex as it's created. There are a couple of differences depending on which mode we are in. So let's go to create a few edges here. That's also something you can do with the F2 add-on. just fill an edge like this. I'm not sure if you can do that without the add-on. Let's try it. Can I fill that? Yes, I can. So that's not an add-on feature after all. But if I now click F here and I continue to click here, you can see that we fill perfectly fine. But then I go into edge selection here and I have this edge selected and I hit F. And then if I continue to hit F, I'm not sure if you can hear my keyboard there, you should be able to hear it. But as we come to an edge, that continuation actually stops if we are in face selection mode, as opposed to if we are in vertex select, then we can continue. So that's another minor difference right there. So that is all that I want to show you about the fill tool here. And we can, if you're not careful, you can see that we can fill in quite obscure ways here. But that's all I want to show you about the fill tool. So if you're interested in more edit mode tools like this, you can find a link in the description to an article I've written about over 30 or so edit mode tools. And if you like this kind of content and want to see more, just hit like and subscribe. And thank you for viewing.